Plumber in Calgary. Your go-to solution for plumbing needs in Calgary, NW, SW, SE, and NE. Are you facing plumbing issues in Calgary? Look no further. Whether it's a leaky faucet, a clogged drain, or a more complex plumbing problem, My Calgary Plumber is here to help. Our experienced and professional team provides the best services to ensure your plumbing system is running smoothly. From toilet plumbing, kitchen plumbing, bathroom plumbing, drain cleaning, and water heater services. Don't let plumbing problems ruin your day. Contact our 24-hour plumber from My Calgary Plumber for fast, reliable, and affordable service.